What does the French Revolution, gunpowder, and safely getting back to Earth all have in common? Find out in this episode. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we are going to go to another switch in the sequence system that's getting us really close to re-entry. As a matter of fact, it is going to start the re-entry control system, and there is a lot of interesting things that happen. We're going to be going over the re-entry control system switch Telelight. And when you click on it, it takes you to the re-entry control system switch Telelight. And as you can see, we added a new image here, and this is where it is on the sequence system. So we've come all the way down, almost halfway through. So what this switch does is it cues the command pilot to activate the re-entry control system by firing the fuel oxidizer and pressurant isolation squibs. And there's also electric squibs in there too. But what it's doing here is we're going to see, we're in the system description. Again, we're still with this, with the timer and the sequential system. But if we look on preparing to go to retrograde, we are right here, retro rocket squibs armed. And these retro rocket squibs are explosive devices. And that's how they separated the system. There weren't any disconnects or anything like that. They actually cut them. They severed them with what they call a guillotine. And then what that also does is you see it arms the auto retro indicators, and then down here it arms the amber and green light. So there is an amber light when the system is armed and it needs for the astronaut to do something, and then it turns green when the astronaut has done something, completing the chores. This is the backup to the backup. And so this is where we are in the system. We're actually separating here. We're getting everything that is ready to split up in from the orbital control system. We're getting rid of that by arming the squibs. Now, for our Patreon subscribers, that's our paying and also our free subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, you can do it for free and you can get some more great information on this Gemini spacecraft. If you are a Patreon subscriber and we click on schematics,